the speed limit is 5, so this is not about speed. It's called Euro parking. But now that the window's open, you hear the sound of the engine reflected by the parking. It's great. I love it. I have this car now for 1 month, but it's still yeah, giving pleasure every day. Here on second deck there's a lot of space and it's great. Do we have an Alfa Romeo friend here? Or don't we? Or is it just a Fiat? Or another car lover? We just go next to this car lover, which is in this case a Rover V8. Oh. And now we're in this place, we're gonna test the motor. Did you hear that?